Then in the next question, when we talk here, so what is going to be the answer for this particular question? So let us just understand here that consider the following political organizations. Now in this particular scenario, what can we understand in the consider the following organizations? That Congress, Socialist Party, Forward Bloc and Radical Democratic Party. How many of them were formed before the outbreak of the Second World War? Okay, so from here itself what can we see is that the Forward Bloc, what do we know? That it was created by the time period of 1938-39. Okay, so we very well know that the Second World War, it starts from 1939, okay, till 1945. So we know that this particular party, it is going to be created, the forward bloc, it is going to be created by the time period of 1938. Then when we talk on this the Congress Socialistic Party, so Congress Socialistic Party, it was created by the time period of 1934. But when you talk about M.N. Roy, okay, so M.N. Roy at that point of time, he is going to focus on the creation of this party, okay, and it generally happens after the World War had started, that is by the time period of 1940, okay. So here the only two options are going to be the ones that are going to be created prior to Second World War, okay. So the answer here is only two. B is the answer, okay. Now